Hello everyone, welcome to another new video of AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you that Google Gemini just got a new update. Now you can upload a photo with the Gemini application. You can do that on your mobile phone or you can use the Gemini apps in the web version. So you can right now upload an image here. Just go to the generate with VEO 3 and now you can add a photo to create a video with your image. Just like I upload this image and give a prompt here, and just like that. So let me show you how to do that again. So just go to the video option, generate with VEO 3 and now add a photo, upload this photo here. And after uploading the photo, you just need to describe your prompt. So I just created a prompt with ChatGPT and now I'm going to paste it and just click submit. And after 1 to 2 minutes, it's going to create a video with that image. So this is a new update. Feel free to use that. And let's see the result here after 1 to 2 minutes. So our video has been created. Let's play the video. So the video looks pretty good here. You can also download that from click on download video. But there's some changes here. As you can see, our images was this and the video was this. It changes the robot and the environment also. I don't know why it does that, but for the first video, as you can see, this was the image and this is the video, which is exactly the same according to the image. So sometime maybe it will give you some fault in the video. That I want to show you. Now you can upload an image in VEO 3 and get a video with sound here. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.